The Defence Acquisition Council has granted acceptance of necessity for the procurement of 14 items worth 380 crore rupees from the IDEX startups, and has also approved the GSAT-7B satellite for the Indian Army worth 4,600 crore rupees, 30,000 night sights for SIG-716 rifles worth 1,400 crore rupees, 5,000 GS 4x4 light vehicles worth 760 crore rupees, and some lightweight air defense fire control radar systems. In an interview to SP Aviation, the Indian Air Force Chief has said that the Air Force plans to induct 6 squadrons of MRFA fighters in a phased manner, and the Air Force is currently studying the responses to the request for information that was issued in 2018, and the Air Staff qualitative requirements are being finalized before seeking approval from the government, but no timelines were disclosed during this latest interview. The Indian Air Force is considering to wet lease one aerial refueller aircraft, and the Air Force is currently going through vendor-submitted documents, and will start evaluations before it selects the lowest bidder that also meets technical requirements. The Air Tanker Consortium has offered Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport. French Air Force has also offered its Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport. Boeing has offered KC-46 Pegasus, and Russia has offered the IL-78. SAAB Group has offered its Barracuda mobile camouflage systems to India that can defeat hostile sensors and target acquisition systems in all phases of the mission, and has heat reduction properties that lowers the vehicle's internal temperature, that extends the endurance of personnel and electronic equipment, and also enhances survivability by reducing detection by 90%. SAAB has also offered to upgrade the fire control system used in T-90 tanks of the Indian Army, with a modern fiber optics gyro control system. The Indian Army has started upgrading its 9K-35 Strela 10-shot range anti-aircraft system with indigenous electro-optical system that will give it night fighting capability. The Indian Army has already ordered the latest Strela 9M 333 anti-aircraft missiles from Russia in February 2021, that has a range of more than 5 kilometers and an altitude range of 10 kilometers against low-flying aircraft, helicopters and UAVs. Brazilian ambassador has said that the Brazilian ammunition manufacturer CBC and India's SSS defense has been progressing well, and the Indian joint venture facility is slated to begin production of ammunition by mid-2022, that includes different calibers like 9mm, 7.62 by 39mm, 7.62 by 51mm, .338 Lapua, and the 12.7mm ammunition, and the joint initiative could scale up production by 2025. The Indian Navy will send its P-8 anti-submarine aircraft to Australia to conduct joint exercise with increased complexity, and Australia has said that it would help India to maximize the use of the P-8I aircraft. Analysts have said that this exercise is the first step for both countries to more regularly host visiting forces. A high-level delegation of United Arab Emirates Army has arrived on a 6-day visit to India, during which the delegation will visit Indian Army training establishments to enhance conduct of bilateral exercises, and also visit the defence manufacturing facilities of Larsen & Toubro Limited and Tata Motors Limited, to enhance defence cooperation between the two armies. The Indian government will soon be investing 700 crore rupees to take the prototypes of CATS Infinity high-altitude pseudo-satellite to initial operational clearance status, in which the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy are the targeted customers. The CATS Infinity can undertake 80% of satellites' persistent surveillance and communication tasks at 1/4 the cost, and the payloads can be swapped as per requirement, unlike a satellite where the payload is lost forever. An Indian Army contingent have arrived in Uzbekistan to participate in 3rd edition of India-Uzbekistan Biennial Military Training Exercise Dustlik 2022. The exercise will focus on counter-terror operations in semi-urban terrain under the United Nations mandate.
Omar dropped it.